Welcome to today's quick guide on keeping your media safe on Facebook with a simple update. If you're using Facebook on your PC and want to prevent the app from accessing your media, this step-by-step walkthrough will show you exactly what to do. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Once you're signed in and on your main feed, look to the top of the screen for the three dots. They sit in a row with other navigation icons, giving you quick access to more options. Click those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu of action you can take for this page. From there, select App Info. This opens a new panel where you can see details about how the app uses your data. In this panel, find and open Settings. You'll be guided to a section that holds your app permissions, giving you control over what Facebook can access on your device. Now locate permissions within Settings. Here you'll find a list of different data categories the app can request. To see more options, click on More Settings Permissions. This expands the menu so you can fine-tune each permission level. Next to images, you'll see an option to block. Choose block to prevent Facebook from accessing your photo and media library. This means Facebook won't be able to automatically pull images from your device, which adds an important layer of privacy when you're browsing, posting, or saving content. If you want to tighten things up even more, review each permission category one by one. Consider turning off access for videos, audio, or other media categories you don't want Facebook to touch. Regularly checking these settings helps keep your controls aligned with your privacy preferences. A quick tip: after changing permissions, it's a good habit to close and reopen Facebook to ensure the new rules take effect. If you ever decide you want Facebook to access media again, you can return to the same settings and adjust by selecting Allow or Block as needed. That's all there is to it. A few small taps and you've taken a clear step toward protecting your media on Facebook from the PC.